the season. In this week's Weather Wonders, we thought it only appropriate for meteorologist David Tillmans to explain how frost forms.
Dew forms when temperatures cool overnight to the dew point and water vapor in the air condenses into liquid droplets. When the temperature and dew point are below freezing, water vapor and droplets will condense into a solid state known as frost. Frost occurs in one of two ways. If frost appears white and almost resembles a dusting of snow, it likely occurred through deposition. When temperatures drop to a dew point that is sub-freezing, water vapor condenses directly from a gas into solid ice crystals. Depositional fog is also known as hoar frost and coats surfaces with patterns you would expect to see in ice crystals. Frost can also occur by freezing liquid dew droplets, known also as frozen dew. When temperatures drop to a dew point that is above freezing, liquid dew forms on grass and other surfaces. From there, the temperature continues to fall until it is below freezing, and the existing dew will freeze into a solid state. This type of frost is more difficult to see as it is not as white and does not feature the same ice crystal patterns as hoar frost. Frost can actually form when the air temperature is above freezing. On clear nights with calm winds, radiational cooling takes place and there is little to no mixing between the air near the surface and air aloft. Because of this, a very shallow layer of relatively cold air can form right near the ground and be 5 to 10 degrees cooler than the air just a few feet above the surface. For example, air temperatures may be 36 degrees a few feet above the ground and 30 degrees right at the surface, causing any dew that forms to instead become frost. Frost has the potential to damage crops and other plants. When the water stored within plant cells freezes, it can expand and damage cell walls. When it then thaws out, it can exit the punctured cell, causing the plant to become dehydrated and lose nutrients. If you have sensitive plants, cover them up or bring them inside when frost is expected. Watering them prior to freezing can also help the plant and soil retain heat. Finally, don't forget to uncover the plants once that sunshine returns. For Weather Wonders, I'm meteorologist David Tillmans.
If you have any weather